Hello, first graders. Welcome back to school. I can't wait to show you all the changes that we have. First things first, when you come to school, you're going to have to wear a mask. You'll need to put it on before you can enter the building. Just like so. It needs to cover your nose, your mouth, and your chin. Make sure it's on right. Let's go in. The first stop you're going to make is to a hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer, you'll need to get a little bit of hand sanitizer, rub it into both of your hands, and then carry on. I'm going to take this off because it's hard for me to talk. The next thing you're going to do is take your temperature. It's very easy. You just get your face in there and get your temperature taken. Then we're going to go down the hallway. The first door is the office. So the office is moved. There's a lot of crazy changes that we've had to go through. So let's go to our room. You'll turn the corner at the activity wall and come this way. And then you'll go into what was once Mrs. Reinerson's room. So if you were ever a family member of hers, then you will know where to go. Right here on our door, we have how we are greeted every morning. All of it's non-touching. And then you come into our classroom. Our classroom looks pretty much like it did in the other room, only we're at a different room. You will be able to sit two to a table. See if I can get you. Two to a table. You'll have your folders. We will have to wear masks all day long. And you will need to make sure that we wash our hands and things all day. But I'm excited to get started. I'm very excited to see you again. And I think it's going to be a great year, no matter what we're doing. So I'll see you tomorrow. Got a lot to talk to you about, and I can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.